English.
No, who told you? You are very good in English. You introduced yourself very nicely. You are talking to me in English.
No,
You are not bad. Hi, good morning.
hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, so you are Soma, right?
Yes, yes, I am Soma.
Yeah, but the name reflecting here is Swapnil Paul. So I was getting confused.
Actually, he is my son.
Okay. That's so nice of you. So, ma'am, before we proceed, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes. I am Soma. I am from West Bengal.
Okay. Yeah.
And I am a teacher. And,
You are a teacher.
Yeah.
Okay. So nice.
I am teacher and I have a son and I lives in West Bengal. And what to say, I am getting a little bit nervous actually.
No, ma'am. No. It's not about nervousness. You just feel free and speak whatever you want. See, you are a teacher. I must get nervous when I speak to you because you are a teacher. You should not be nervous.
No, problem is I have to speak in English. That's why I am getting nervous because I am very bad in English. Spoken English.
No, who told you? You are very good in English. You introduced yourself very nicely. You are talking to me in English.
No.
You are not bad.
I'm trying. Actually, I'm trying to improve my spoken English. I know little about grammar, or though I have shortage of vocabulary, but I think without speaking, I can't improve. I realized it.
Yes.
So that's why I'm searching some videos on YouTube, and I have seen so many videos of yours also, and I am inspired by your videos.
Oh,
and
thank you.
Speak very well. Though I have come to know that you are starting. You start your journey not very early, not very early. Spoken journey or spoken English journey, but you speak very well. So that's why I am very inspired by you. So when I seen your videos, some videos, I thought if I contact you and if you help me improving my English, then I think I also can.
Yes, ma'am, you can. Actually, you are speaking very well. There is no doubt. Yes, but you are getting nervous. Because see, when we do something new, we always get nervous. So it happened to me also. But when I started talking to different people, that hesitation automatically went on. So once you start speaking with the different people, like we are all practicing here at this platform, there are so many people. It's not only me who speak to different people, but there are so many YouTubers who are available to speak to the different person. So just like you have contacted me, you must contact to those people also and then see the miracle.
Yes, actually, it's miracle. I think I have never thought before that I'm getting such a chance to speak with you, and I sent you a mail just yesterday. Okay,
yes.
And I received your call or reply today. So it's really miracle for me. I am really thankful to you. You give me such an opportunity to me, I'm really, really thankful to you.
No, ma'am. Actually, I must be thankful to you people. See, ma'am, to be very frank, I am also here to practice with the people, and it's my luck also that I am getting chance to speak with the different people. So I should say thanks to you that you are sending me mail and you are giving your precious time to me. So it's a two-way process.
You give me, yes, but you have lots of people to speak, speak others, but I haven't. That's why
Yes,
I
yes.
sent you mail. Because I realized it without speaking, I can't improve. So I need some spoken partner whom I can speak, because I haven't such type of people with whom I can speak. Actually, there are few people who can speak fluently, and problem is I can't speak with them because of little bit what I should say, little bit shyness, you can say shyness, or I think they might laugh at me because I am a teacher. In this age, I can't speak properly. So it's some, you can say hesitation. Due to some hesitation, I can't speak with them. So I need
Yes.
such a people who can speak with me, and they will not laugh at me.
Not
So
at all, ma'am, because we all are here to practice English. So, ma'am, what are your hobbies?
my hobbies, my hobbies is like listening music. When I get time, I listen some music, new song, because I am a Bengali. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm Bengali. I'm from West Bengal.
Yes.
So I listen Robindra Sangeet.
Oh,
Rabindra Sangeet, written by
oh,
Rabindranath Tagore.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and I listen Hindi song, old Hindi song I like, and when I get time, I cook some new dish, some Bengali new dish, which is traditional. Okay,
What is that, ma'am?
and huh?
What is
Sorry.
that? What did you say? What is the name of that dish which you cook?
No, no, traditional dish, traditional.
Traditional. Okay, okay, okay.
Bengali,
Traditional.
yes,
Got
yes,
it now.
yes. So all the time we are not prepared that sort of traditional dish, because those dishes take making those dish take too long time.
Oh,
Okay, so when we get time, I will make, I will prepare that food.
okay.
It is
So
like you can say,
those are sweet dish.
no, 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 not sweet
Then,
dish.
then
For lunch, for dinner,
okay,
like this.
okay, okay, okay. So great. Actually, I am also very fond of sweet dishes, and I like Bengali sweet dishes. To be very frank, they use that
Raso,
chena in all their sweet dishes. Yes,
Rasogolla, Rasogolla.
Rasagulla. Yes, right, right. So great. So, ma'am, how's the situation? COVID situation is West Bengal now?
Actually, COVID situation is very bad, very bad. We can't go out without face or sanitizer. We have to now, we have to, when we get out for any work, for shopping, anything else, we have to wear a double mask. Okay.
Yes,
And
yes.
we go out for not what I should say, for little time, for because whatever we have to need, whatever we need for purchasing, just we go for that purpose only. And in health system, in medical condition, in hospital, yeah, you can say doctor, there are so shortage of doctor. If we get someone get ill, it is very difficult to find doctors. Okay,
Yes.
and we are scared about go any doctor chamber, because we thought there are so many people who might be asymptomatic. Okay,
Yes, true.
no, so that's the reason we can't go out, and we have to stay in our house, and whatever possible, we are trying to stay in our house, because this situation is very bad. People are dying, and we are scared about this such condition.
True, true. And what's the lockdown situation, ma'am? Lockdown is still there? West Bengal is under lockdown?
Yes, partially. You can say partially lockdown.
Okay.
Yes. Here, 7 to 10 o'clock,
Okay.
all the shops are open. After
Okay.
10, they have to close their shop.
Okay. So is there any defined date also?
No, 15, I think 15 June, up to 15 June.
Okay.
Up to 15 June.
And ma'am, are you interested in politics?
No. Not at all. Not at all. I don't understand anything about politics, and I have no any interest.
Okay. Actually, Mamta Didi has just elected as CM.
Yes. Yes. There are so tension of that time during election. There was tension, and people are scared when voting was going. But now situation is under control.
Yes.
But I don't like politics.
Yeah, same here. I am also not liking politics so much.
Madam, tell me something about you.
Yeah. So, ma'am, as you know, I am Sarita, and I am basically from Haryana. And as you have started spoken English just now, I have also started speaking part before few months only. And as I have told in all my earlier videos that yes, I know English because I have learned English in all my studies. So I am aware about English, but yeah, now I have forgotten all the things, to be very frank. So this lockdown, this lockdown learned me a lot, taught me a lot that okay, this is the time that we should utilize our skills, and we all should start speaking in English, because nowadays English is an international language, and it plays a very important role, especially in our professional life.
Yes.
So nowadays it has become a social symbol also. Like if you can speak good English, you are admired. You can
get advance also. You get advance.
Yes. So English gave you that recognition also, gives you that recognition also. So I also started speaking English in this way only.
Yes, actually these English, spoken English, actually English is my dream also, but due to some reason I couldn't achieve my goal yet. So now I get some time. Nowadays I get some time. That's why I think if I not work on this subject, then I think I can't do this. So this is the time. If I then I can do it in this way. So, ma'am, I want to make a request to you.
Yeah, don't tell mind. Me, please. No, tell me, please.
Actually, ma'am, if you if you speak with me other days also, that will be what should I say, very
That will be
comfortable for
helpful for
me
you.
also. Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
And
Sure,
we'll-
I will definitely try to speak with you, or I will speak with you. There is no issue. There is no issue at all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you
So,
very
ma'am,
much.
the school holidays are still going on?
Yes, still going on, but in the middle, a few 1 month ago, our school was open for 20-25 days. For after that, school also closed.
Okay, okay, okay. So you must be taking online classes before these
No,
holidays?
actually, what happened in I am a teacher of in rural area.
Okay, okay.
And problem is there, students come from come from village. They haven't Android phone. Okay,
Oh,
that is the problem. That is the problem. The school
true.
of rural area.
Yes,
We can't
yes.
connect them by phone. We can't take class online. It is the problem here. But in town, they are doing this
Yes,
in
yes,
town.
yes.
But in village area, we can't do by
We
online.
cannot do.
But
See, yes.
we are doing what? We are uploading some content. Okay. And who have a phone, Android phone, they can get the content or assignment, etc. But we can't do online classes with them.
Yes.
It is
See,
the
due to this
problem.
corona, rural people are suffering a lot, especially children, because they are not getting that education. To be very frank, they
Yes.
don't have a
Yes.
mobile phone, they don't have internet access, and to be very frank, their parents
Yes.
also don't know how to.
Illiterate. Most of the
Yes.
parents are illiterate.
Yes.
They cannot look after them.
Yes.
Okay, so their education hampering so much.
True.
We
True.
can understand, but what will we do?
No, nothing can be done in that case, ma'am. Nothing can be done.
Yes.
Yes,
We
true.
thought about it, but we cannot go there and take class in there because
No.
COVID situation is very
No,
bad.
it's not
very
feasible
bad.
at all. Yes, if you people think that okay, we will go and take the classes, that it's a dangerous situation. It's a very dangerous
Yes,
situation.
that's why we can't.
Yes,
That's why we can't do it.
this is the time to save ourselves and to save children, especially. Say they are so
Yes, of
little,
course.
they don't know how to safeguard themselves. They don't know when to wash hands, when to wear masks.
Yes,
Yes, so it's our responsibility to save children first.
Fast. Yes.
Yes, that's so
Right.
true, ma'am. That's so true. So what else, ma'am? You wanna ask something from me, or we should call it for the day? We will connect in 2 or 3 days.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So thank you
One
so
more thing, ma'am.
Yes.
One more thing. Please suggest me what will I do for improving my spoken skill.
See, ma'am, what I can suggest is that you just need to speak to different people. See, you are
Yes.
good in speaking, but yes, there is a hesitation which hinders you while speaking in English. You are very good in English.
Yes, of
So
course.
the more you speak
No.
with the different people, yes, ma'am, you are. So the more you speak with the
Thank you.
different people, that hesitation will
Yes.
go off.
Remove.
And this is the yes. So this is the only thing. I can share
Thank
you the
you.
email
Thank
IDs of different people who want to practice like us also. So I'll
Okay.
drop you a mail. You send the
Okay.
mail also. They will definitely connect with you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your precious
Okay.
time. It's very nice talking to you. Take care, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
yes.